Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add some camera shake effects to the bass drops of an audio clip.
Take your editing to the next level with the ultimate preset pack for creators. You can grab it for just $2 using this coupon code. Link in the description below. Download now.
I've already added my video clip and audio clip to the timeline. First, create an adjustment layer and place it above the video layer. Then, go to Effects, search for Directional Blur, and drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. Next, go to Effect Controls and set the blur length to 90. Now, select the razor tool. Starting from the beginning of the video, move forward one frame at a time by pressing the right arrow key and cut the clip like this. After cutting 5 frames, keep the first, third, and fifth frames and delete the rest of the adjustment layer. Finally, place these segments where you want the camera shake effect. You can duplicate them by holding the Alt key and dragging and dropping them. And that's it. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.